Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record a 4K video on INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, open up the camera, and here you will be on AI cam. First thing that you open the camera, you'll be in an AI cam. Here we want to go to video, and now we want to click on the top right corner. And once we click it, we will see a lot of options. So here we have 720 30 fps, 1080p 30, 1080p 60, and 4K 30. So we want to click on the 4K 30. Now we can record a 4K video in 30 frames per second, so it is cinematic. Now let me quickly take a video in the 4K resolution. And now it is saving the video. Here we have it. It definitely looks 4K to me. And now that's how you guys can record it. So this was a quick tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.